is Mikmar. I've completed my master's in genetics and in University of Mysore, and trying my best to make this quarantine productive. So I came across biodiscovery last year, where I've attended the workshop for drug designing, and this year I thought, why not try for DNA-seq and RNA-seq data analysis. So this workshop gave me a lot of information on how to convert the raw data of DNA-seq and RNA-seq into a readable format and analyze the data in a productive, in a better way. And I'm very thankful for the people who people in the workshop in putting together all the workshop very organized way, and I'm very thankful for complete making this workshop complete successfully. Thank you all.
Hi all, myself Prabhakar Pandit completed my PhD and worked as RA at CBRC Gujarat. I attended the training of Amplicon data analysis with BDG LifeSciences. The experience was very nice. Basically, the training through charting gives us opportunity to understand and do hands-on training, which is very helpful. The trainer also teach very well, and I would like to join the online training programs in future with BDG LifeSciences. Thank you very much.
Hi, I'm Ronita, working as Senior Research Associate in NICET Kolkata. For my research purpose, I wanted to gain some experience in metagenomics. Recently, I got enrolled in a BDG LifeSciences Metagenomics Workshop program. It was a wonderful experience. It helped me to understand the basics of metagenomics and also the tools that is used in the metagenomics program. Thank you so much, BDG.